Other news we're following. The former president of the United States, Bill Clinton, weighs in on the latest Obamacare developments. President Clinton recently said President Obama should keep his promise, let people keep their doctors and their insurance plans. So what is his latest assessment of the Affordable Care Act? Juan Carlos Lopez of CNN Espanol is just back from a one-on-one interview with Bill Clinton. How did it go? What did he say about Obamacare, Juan Carlos?
Well, if it went very well, the president on his way to Brazil, Clinton Global Initiative, programs that he wants to develop in Latin America. But we did speak about what he said about Obamacare. And I guess this Obamacare 2.0 that we're seeing launched today, this is what he said about his previous statement and about possible future problems with health reform. Are you doing that? Is it because you are setting the way for Mrs. Clinton to run? And second, are the problems with Obamacare limited to the website?
The answer to the first question is no. First of all, I said nothing about this, not one word, until the president himself spoke. And it was obvious to me, listening to him, that he wanted the American people to feel that he had kept his commitment and that they didn't understand that he in fact did grandfather in, that is, protect all the policies that were in existence on the day he signed the health care bill. That was done. But but he didn't take over the insurance industry in America. So, for example, today, less than 20% of those 11 million policies which exist in the individual insurance market even existed when President Obama had signed the bill. So I was trying to be supportive of him. I don't think you can find anybody in America who's worked harder for his reelection or supported this bill or went out of his way to explain the bill to the American people more than I did.
That's President Clinton Wolf on health reform, Obamacare, and what he said, created a lot of controversy.
Yeah, and he obviously does support the president. Hillary Clinton, as you and all of our viewers know, she right now is the overwhelming Democratic favorite for possibly running for president in 2016. So what is the former president saying about his wife and 2016?
He's saying he doesn't know if she's going to run or not. Is Mrs. Clinton running for president?
I don't know. And I think, and she believes, that the country should spend at least another year working very hard on the problems we have. We have very serious challenges in America, and we have responsibilities around the world. I think it's a big mistake, this constant four-year peripatetic campaign. It's not good for America. We need to deal with the business we have before us.
Wolf, and I did ask the president, the former president, what he thought of Vice President Biden as a possible president in 2016. And he says he likes him a lot.
I guess we shouldn't be surprised about that. We'll see if he likes him a lot, if in fact Biden is challenging Hillary Clinton for that Democratic nomination, or if he decides if she runs, he's not going to run, or what's going on. Lots of unanswered questions out there. Juan Carlos Lopez, as usual, thanks very much.
My pleasure, Wolf.